Hello, I am Guy Apollo, and this is the first in a few entry-level tutorials about Windows 7, just little things that make Windows 7 a lot more interesting. Uh, Most videos will be pointed. This one I've got a couple of little small things I want to show you. If at any point in time you are displeased about the size of the icons on your desktop, you can hold down the Control key and use your mouse wheel, and after clicking, you want to click on to select the desktop, obviously, and you can change the size of the icons on the desktop from small to my grandma can't see very well. That's interesting too. It splits them up depending on how many there are and where they go. Um, Now to the main point of this, I'm going to show you how to utilize libraries. So previously, I set up a folder on my desktop for all the various game shortcuts that I have. Um, just putting everything in one little folder so I can get to it. As you can see down here, I have it right here, so I don't have to have everything pinned to the start bar. Or search for anything. I can just go here and grab it. And anywho, first thing you want to do is make your folder. Put your icons in it. It can be done for anything. I have one for my various editors. It's not filled yet. I got kind of bored with doing this, so anyway, and different things. But I made the games folder. Then you want to come in here to Documents. After you click on Documents, click on Libraries. When you're in the Libraries window, you'll see that I have two that most people wouldn't, Books and Games. If you right-click on the window, click New, you can click New, Libraries, then you want to name it. This will be my Games folder. Now once you have this library up, you can right-click on it, hit Properties, and it'll ask you what folders to include. It's going to go to the desktop. Going to click Games, tell it to include the folder, and done. So now in my Libraries folder, I have a link to that games folder. Now the interesting part about this is you can do this to any of them, properties, and then tell it to include folders. And what that'll do is it'll display all the contents for multiple folders, which makes it so you don't have to have everything in one place if you don't want to. The only reason I have the games folder specifically on the desktop is because I have it linked here. I haven't got everything organized for that yet. I will put it in my Abyssal folder, which is the folder that I put everything in. So anything that I don't use anymore, it's filled with about 16 gigs of random crap at this point. Well, that will be all. Thank you for watching.